First, I should say I was hired in February of last year as the Chief Operating Officer. The plan at that time in the recruiting by the current CEO and the Board of Directors was to bring me in as a succession to him with a planned transition at the annual meeting, which we had on the 29th of January. My career background is in the chemical industry. I have worked since graduation in various chemical plants, from plastics to petrochemicals to food products to pharmaceuticals. And I have had an extensive amount of training in emergency response, disaster recovery. In the early part of my career, I participated in such drills. At the middle part of my career, I was the environmental safety and health manager of a chemical plant with 900 employees. I was responsible for the fire brigade. So I did the training with our firefighters, with all of the gear and the hoses and going through the smoke houses. I did all of those drills with our firefighters. Moving further in my career, when I was working in Brazil, I was responsible for 48 manufacturing plants all over Latin America. And one of my observations in assuming that role was that very few of our fire brigades had ever had formal training. And so I set up a 1-week training for all of our firefighters from around the continent or the region. We had over 200 firefighters come to Brazil for 1 week. We brought 2 very experienced trainers from the U.S. Both of them had taught at the Texas Fire School, that is the premier fire school in the United States. And we had a 1-week training with practical application, because there was a fire grounds where they could put out fires. They could do search and rescue at that manufacturing facility where we hosted the event. And we taught in English, Spanish, and Portuguese simultaneously for a week, and ended the event with a community drill where we did an evacuation of a school, evacuation of a community. We had helicopters involved in terms of evacuating simulated injuries, so the hospital was involved, and we involved the media in that particular drill, and gave our facilities an opportunity to experience what it would be like if they ever had to do it.